Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best action cameras under $200 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Exile Cam action camera with 1080p resolution at 30 FPS. Priced at just $20.88, this is the budget-friendly option on our list and ideal for beginners and children. It delivers decent HD video quality for casual adventures and comes with a wide array of accessories, making it versatile for activities like diving, surfing, and driving. Its waterproof capabilities allow you to explore depths up to 40 meters or 131 feet, which is impressive for the price. However, the design and build quality reflect the budget nature of this camera. It has a basic 2-inch LCD screen and lacks Wi-Fi connectivity, limiting instant sharing of footage. Additionally, the camera doesn't support memory cards above 32 gigabytes, which might be restrictive for longer shoots. The included two 900 mAh batteries provide respectable stamina, but don't expect extended recording times compared to higher-end models. Overall, the Exile Cam action camera is perfect for occasional use or those just starting out with action cameras. While it's not geared toward professionals, it delivers solid value for its price. Pros include affordability, underwater functionality, and multiple accessories. Cons include limited resolution, no Wi-Fi, and basic build quality. Coming in at number 4, we have the JadvZ action camera. Priced at $26.99, it offers full HD 1080p recording at 30 FPS alongside a 12 MPP photo mode. Unlike the Exile Cam, this camera includes a 32 gigabytes memory card, which is a nice touch and saves you from needing to purchase storage separately. The wide-angle lens and waterproof housing allow you to capture underwater shots up to 30 meters or 98 feet, making it a solid choice for water-based activities. The design is slightly more robust than the Exile Cam, with a lightweight build and a 2-inch LCD screen for real-time previews. It also includes 2 rechargeable batteries, which ensures you can swap them out for longer sessions. However, much like the Exile Cam, it lacks advanced features like Wi-Fi or image stabilization, so footage may feel shaky during high-motion activities. The JadvZ action camera strikes a good balance between affordability and functionality. It's perfect for casual users looking for decent quality video and photos without breaking the bank. Pros include the inclusion of a memory card, waterproof design, and a wide range of accessories. Cons include the absence of image stabilization and limited resolution compared to higher-end models. At number 3, we have the Camlance 4K 60 FPS action camera. Priced at $47.49, this camera delivers stunning 4K video resolution and 48 MP photos, providing a major step up in image quality compared to budget models. It also includes a 64 gigabyte memory card, saving you time and money. One standout feature is its versatility with vertical filming, making it ideal for social media enthusiasts who want content optimized for smartphone screens. The build is compact and durable, with a waterproof housing that allows underwater shots up to 40 meters. The camera also features EIS stabilization, which significantly improves video smoothness during high-motion activities. Add to this an impressive 8x zoom and Wi-Fi connectivity for instant sharing, and you have a feature-packed device that caters to both casual users and hobbyists. While it's a great mid-range option, the battery life could be better, and the design might feel slightly plasticky compared to premium models. Pros include excellent resolution, EIS stabilization, and vertical filming capabilities. Cons include average battery life and slightly less durable construction. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for those wanting high-quality footage without breaking the $50 mark. Taking the number 2 spot is the JadvZ 4K 60 FPS action camera. Priced at $54.99, this camera offers an impressive combination of 4K video at 60 frames per second and 30 megapixel photos, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. It comes equipped with dual screens, a 2-inch touch-sensitive rear screen, and a 1.4-inch front screen, making it great for selfies and intuitive navigation. The included 64GB memory card ensures ample storage for your adventures. The design is rugged yet sleek, with a waterproof housing that allows dives up to 132 feet, the deepest on this list. It also features 6-axis EIS stabilization, which is top-notch for capturing smooth footage during fast-moving activities like snowboarding and biking. Wi-Fi connectivity, paired with the Cam Pro app, adds convenience for sharing content on the go. While the JadvZ excels in performance, its remote control is not waterproof, which may be a minor inconvenience for water-based users. Pros include outstanding video quality, dual screens, and deep underwater capabilities. Cons include the lack of a waterproof remote. Overall, this camera is a powerhouse for action enthusiasts who prioritize quality and functionality. And finally, at number 1, we have the HJBDGS body camera. Priced at $63.99, this premium option provides 4K video at 30 FPS with audio recording, making it an excellent choice for vlogging and POV-style content. Its standout feature is the magnetic backclip and lanyard pad, allowing hands-free operation. The included 128GB memory card is the largest on this list, ensuring you have plenty of storage for extended shoots. The build is compact and lightweight, weighing only 0.11 pounds, making it highly portable. While its 90-minute battery life is shorter than some other options, the camera supports recording while charging, so you won't miss a moment. The design also allows for versatile mounting on helmets, bicycles, cars, and more, making it ideal for travelers and outdoor sports enthusiasts. The HJBDGS body camera is perfect for users seeking high-quality video and convenience in a lightweight, hands-free package. Pros include the magnetic clip, large memory card, and compact design. Cons include limited battery life and no Wi-Fi connectivity. Overall, it's the best action camera under $200 for those who value portability and functionality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.